Hello, this is my Einhell 550 dust extraction or ship extractor, or what you want to call it. I'm in a community a little on the web sometimes, and I promised one there to show my rebuild of this Einhell dust extractor. So here it comes. It's the original. It's textile, you know, the classic Einhell red textile here, textile clothing or what you say, but that's not good at all, because it just blows the air through the filter. So I come up on an idea to put in a quality filter on the Einhell, because these could be, if you buy a complete set with a good filter and a little bit higher brand, they cost quite so much. So this was a cheap alternative to do it. But enough of that. The way I have done this, it's very simple. Oops, there was the camera. I just bought a filter, you know, it's a filter you can clean it like this, or what way it goes, I think. And so that I did, it was, I can show you, I can, because I have, I will move it over here, so you can see a little better, maybe, I don't know. Here is, I think it's the original snap, so you can take it away, like that. And then you just take it away like that. Woo. So here it's simply, it's just MDF rings, or what you will call it. I didn't find my what do you call it, circular tracker, so this one I did for freehand. So they would have been nicer if I found my the thing I can do a mallet or circles with, but that is what it is. The last ring I did, I found that. So here, here you have the filter. You see, it's quite much. There are some dust in there. So you see here, it's kind of a rubber. So I just did my my circle, my MDF ring, just to fit snug in here. And after that, I take this hose clamp and just tighten it a little bit so no dust can escape. So in my case, because original, if you take off the textile, there is a plastic lip in here. I think it's about, 30 millimeters or something like that. But I took 3 MDF, I think it's 16 millimeters, or it is 19. I can check. Where do I have my caliper? It's 58. So you can do the math by yourself. So I put up 3 here MDF, 58 millimeters, because then I come over the plastic lip. Of course you can take it away, the plastic lip on the Einhell, on the original here, the case. But I opt against it. I want to, I don't know. I have to do a MDF ring anyways, so if I do 1 or 3, it's not much work to do. And the width of the ring, I just measured what would be look nice, and then to have measurement to have screws in here. I think I have it must be M8 screws I put through here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 M8 screws, and I have I can take this off if I want and make it original again. You just loosen on the inside here, and I can take it off. I think I put, oh yes, I think I put a little bit of silicone on the inside. I don't think you have to do that, but I put some in where the lip, the plastic lip on the original case, and where the MDF end is. I think, yes, I have a little bit silicone there, but I don't think you need it, but I did it anyway. Yes, and the last ring I have here, I have screws directly on this. So the 3 of here, they are glued together. I've glued them, and I didn't have any paint, or really paint it. I have just some kind of spray paint I had to do. So it's not look so good, but it works. It's just a machine to take up dust with. So that is my solution. It's really simple. And about the filter, I can give you exactly this one I bought. It's a Holzmann, I think. I can read. Holzmann filter, but the size of it isn't so important, because you can adapt the MDF rings a little bit, so it's not you don't have to be millimeter precise. Just take a little bit bigger than the hole is and that will work. But of course you I don't know, mess up with the airflow, because this is when they designed this, of course they have measured the airflow going through this machine and things like that. So I don't think you want to have a mega big filter, or not too small either. I'm not an expert there, but it's a little bit common sense. So if I want to put this on again, I just put that. And then I have my little, I think we're going to do, it's not that. It's quite snug. I've made it quite snug, so you don't have to take. So, I don't know if you see, I'm going to show you the suction a little bit. So, I hope you saw something on when I used the hose there, but it works quite well. It's very good to, if you have much dust on you, you just put it on. I like it. So you don't take the air blower all the times. I'm very happy with it. But I just have had it in about a year. No, half a year I maybe have had it. So I haven't used it so much yet. But yeah, that's my story of this. Bye.